What if I told you that AI can help you earn money even while you sleep? In this video, I'll share 5 AI-based passive income ideas that require little to no upfront investment. Number 1. Sell AI-generated art on print-on-demand sites. Use tools like Midjourney or Canva AI to create stunning designs and illustrations. Upload your artwork to platforms like Redbubble, TeePublic, or Etsy, and they'll handle printing, shipping, and customer service. You earn money every time someone buys your design, completely hands-off. Number 2. Start a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Write your scripts with ChatGPT, generate voiceovers using tools like Speechma, and use stock footage or AI visuals to build your video. You don't have to show your face or record anything. Once monetized, YouTube pays you based on views, ads, and affiliate links, making it a powerful source of passive income. Number 3. Sell AI-generated audiobooks. Use ChatGPT to write a short ebook on trending or evergreen topics. Then, convert it into an audiobook using AI voice tools like Speechma or 11 Labs. You can sell your audiobook on platforms like Audible, Gumroad, or your own website and get paid every time someone listens. Number 4. Sell AI-generated stock images and videos. Use tools like Doll Times E, Leonardo AI, or Runway to create high-quality visuals. Upload them to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pexels. Every download earns you money, and once uploaded, your content keeps earning passively, month after month. Number 5. Create and sell AI-powered Notion templates. Use Notion AI to build productivity planners, finance trackers, or business dashboards. Then, list them on marketplaces like Gumroad or Etsy. People are always searching for digital tools that save time, and once set up, your templates can generate income 24/7. Which of these AI income ideas will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you're serious about building an online income in 2025, make sure to hit subscribe, because we've got a lot more coming your way.